Developing now, we've just learned Congressman Jody Hice will have to testify before a Fulton County grand jury investigating possible criminal interference with the 2020 presidential election results.
11 Alive's Joe Hice is live right now. The federal courthouse where a judge just, as you pointed out, ruled on Hice's motion to quash his subpoena. But Joe, this does not mean Hice will have to answer every question he's asked, right?
Well, that's right, Ron. A federal judge said Congressman Jody Hice's request to have his subpoena quashed or tossed out was simply too big of an ask. Instead, he'll be able to object to individual questions, and then attorneys will have to hash out those issues as they come up. Grand jury proceedings happen behind closed doors, and Fulton County prosecutors have not said publicly what they plan to ask Congressman Jody Hice. Federal Judge Lee Martin May in court today said she cannot quash Hice's subpoena, as there could be some questions that he will be asked that don't fall under federal protection. It's likely Hice will be asked about a meeting he attended in December 2020 with Republican lawmakers at the White House to discuss various ways to overturn Joe Biden's electoral win, and Hice's objection to Georgia's election results as electoral votes were counted on January 6, 2021. Hice's attorneys argue two federal items protect the lawmaker from certain questions, but not all. The speech or debate clause protects members of Congress from questions about their legislative work, and the high-ranking official doctrine can excuse certain officials from questioning. The federal judge's decision today means Hice will have to appear before the Fulton County special grand jury, but he will be able to object to questions he believes he has federal protection from as a congressman. If attorneys cannot resolve issues about specific questions, they can then come back before the federal judge to reach a resolution. And the federal judge said she'll weigh in here as much as needed, but she made it appear the best course of action for attorneys would be for them to come back with a list of questions that they have problems with instead of coming to her with every single question as issues come up. Now, Congressman Hice was set to appear before the special grand jury last week. He then objected to this subpoena, delaying his testimony. A new date for him to appear so far has not been scheduled, but we will update you when it is. We'll send it back to you in studio.
All right, Joe, thanks for breaking that down for us.